preparing some Cornish hens while I'm seasoning up, preparing, and some wingettes, like chicken wings. I have the wingettes. Well, you're not supposed to be in this video. Well, they are turkey wingettes, like chicken wings. These are turkey wingettes. I have the wing part and the drumstick part, and I didn't want the tips. So these are being seasoned. Turkey wings and some Cornish hens, seasoning up, preparing them for tomorrow's Easter dinner 2019. Just want to share. Hello, family. Bye. For my greens, I am using a smoked turkey tail, half a yellow onion, quarter cup of chicken bouillon, powdered chicken bouillon, and a quarter cup of vinegar. I like that taste of the vinegar. It's good to me. I'm using Kerr's chicken bouillon powder flavor to start my greens. I'm going to let this cook for about 30 minutes, and then I'll just put my greens. I just want to flavor the water first. This is how one of the ways that I cook greens. Sharing. This is I can't speak. This is how I start my cooking black eyed peas. I use smoked turkey tails. I love smoked turkey tails, not the smoked turkey necks, because they don't have as much flavor, and the turkey tails have a little fat, which adds flavor. So I cook my black eyed peas with a smoked turkey tail, and I put the water. As you can see, it's about a little over an inch. Well, I got a compromise. It's like, I guess about 3 inches of water, where you can see, covering like 3 inches above the beans. No, that's not right. No, wait, let me see, because I just put the water it looks like it's just a little over an inch. When you have the water, when you're looking in the pot and you see the water above the beans, it looks like it's a little bit over. It's like 1.5 inches of water above the peas or beans, whatever you're cooking, above it when you look in the pot. And that's how you know you got enough water to cook your beans. And excuse me, I also use I'm going to put like 2 tablespoons of that Cornbread chicken bouillon. I'm going to add a little pepper and a little garlic powder and some onion powder, just to taste. You season to taste how you want your food to taste, you guys. So use your seasons as you want the food to taste. You don't have to use my direction for seasonings. However you want your food to taste, if it tastes good to you with your seasons, that's fine. But I'm just sharing what I use in my black eyed peas. Smoked delicious turkey tails. This is me making my sauteed onion, bell pepper, celery, and a little green onion in here, and with butter, real butter, and I put a whole stick of butter in here, and I added a little Cornbread chicken bouillon and some celery seed. Seasoned to my taste. Like I said, when you cook, season to your taste. This is how I'm sauteing my vegetables for my dressing that I want to make later. Everybody don't make it this way, but this is my way, and it's going to be tasty. And earlier I had shared how I cook my black eyed peas and some greens. I didn't say I put garlic in there, I don't think, in the water that I'm seasoning up for my greens. I had a little garlic. And that's all. This is my cornbread dressing. I'm about to put it in the oven. I made some I made cornbread from scratch. I made some cornbread from scratch. None of that jiffy stuff. And I did the sauteed vegetables in a stick of butter, like celery, some onions, green onions, bell pepper, and I sauteed that, softened vegetables, and I added into the cornbread. I also took some drippings from my turkey wings and added that in there, and a 10-ounce can of cream of mushroom, and 10-ounce can of cream of chicken. And the seasoning, poultry season, and pepper. And as I told you, season your food to taste, and how you trying to get your dressing to taste. Do what you do. This is how I make mine, and this is my cornbread dressing. These are my homemade dinner rolls. This is the second rise. I'm getting ready to put them in the oven in a few minutes, as soon as my oven get hot. That's it. Part of our Easter Sunday dinner 2019. The finished product. Easter dinner rolls. Dinner rolls made from scratch. Look, G-Baba colored some eggs for Easter 2019. Cornish hens ready for dinner. Yum! I like okra in my black eyed peas. Yum! Dressing ready. For me, I just stick a fork in it. If it doesn't come out wet, babe, it's done. Yum! This is our Sunday soul food dinner. Turkey wings, turkey gravy, and some Cornish hens, black eyed peas. Well, this is an Easter Sunday dinner, Sunday soul food dinner. Happy Easter.